I think I put Ayla in a trance.
Yeah, I was just cleaning the kitchen and I turned around to be greeted with this.
I did it.
Ayla trying to catch birds on the screen. Oh God.
Ayla, you're not coming again.
Oh God, this is hilarious.
What do you think, Ayla?
Where they gone?
What about Ayla?
Where the birdies gone? They come back again. They're not behind there, Ayla. Oh God.
You see the bird?
Where are they? I have a feeling this is going to keep her amused for hours. Ayla. Ayla.
You like the birdies, Ayla?
Now she's just, oh hang on, no, she's going to go and try and get that one. Ayla.
That's enough birdies, Ayla.